Assalamu alaikum guys, my name is Tayyib Hussain and I am from UET Text Lab, and I am here to deliver some lectures on DSP, and we will here start from the introduction of DSP, and this is our first lecture. First of all, we will learn about what is DSP and why we are studying DSP. DSP is basically digital signal processing. It is the abbreviation of DSP, and its basic definition and the general definition is that we will learn about the finite set of the values to represent the object. The finite mean it will be either in 0 or 1s and are selective numbers, selective signals, in which we can study. It is opposite to the continuous form basically. And now why we are studying DSP. Its importance is that mainly the scientists, mainly the engineers and the technologists, without this DSP, they cannot visualize, they cannot analyze the data that are necessary for designing. So DSP plays an important role in designing and in manipulating the data in and a lot of complex problems. Now coming to the basically basic parts of digital signal processing. First of all, what are signals? Signals mean that they are time varying quantities which are varying, and they are carrying the information in the form of zeros and ones. There are many examples of the signals that are varying, like audio signals. My voice is also a signal. Images, there are videos, there are sonar and ultrasound signals, and many other kind of signals. The signals basically are variations. Now processing is this it is a basically technique that is the converting the signal into the our desired form. We want to make the signal into our desired form to do the work that basically required. So now we come towards the conclusion of our first lecture, that what is DSP, and we are trying to study this. And DSP, now we conclude that DSP, it is basically a technique, it is an algorithm or a mathematics which is used to manipulate the signals and after converting it into the digital form. And why we are converting into the digital form? It is easy to analyze the data in finite values and in the form of zeros ones, as a computer is a basic machine which is usually using these days, and it has a very lot impact and importance. That's why it also learning about the digits, it also easily understand the binary language. That's why the digital signals is always using, and they are getting the advantage our analog quantities, like speed, like cost effective, like reliability, like other functions like boolean function included in it. That's why we are studying DSP, and that is the first lecture. And now from the next lecture we will study about its importance. A complete lecture will be delivered to you inshallah, and stay tuned for the next lecture. Bye bye.